Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to revisit a style that is tried and true. Raquel Welch, straight up with a twist. This color is Fiery Copper, RL 3129. This wig was provided to me for review by Wig Studio One. I reviewed this wig in the past a long time ago, and I just wanted to have another look at it, another review of it, because I just think it's a classic, and I do not think it gets enough love. You know, it was super popular. It still is very, very popular, but I don't hear enough buzz about it because I think it's that good. I think if you are looking for a bob, a classic bob, never goes out of style, you should always have straight up with a twist in your wig wardrobe. Now I'm going to show you this color. If you've watched my channel and you know me, you know Fiery Copper is one of my favorite Raquel Welch reds. I love all their reds actually, but this one is so dynamic. I'm going to show it to you in indoor and outdoor lighting. We'll talk about it. We're going to look at the inside of this cap, of course, in a few minutes. You know, these are heat-friendly fibers. Now, I enjoy heat-friendly fibers. They're not shiny, as you know. They're easy to work with. They do require a little more maintenance. Now, I have a hot air brush. I use that on my synthetic wigs. I have a video about that. I've talked about that a lot and demonstrate that a lot. I also use it on my heat-friendly styles, and I'm just going to show you how I do that. Now, the key to this is to keep this moving. This does not get hot. This one is the Hot Tools. I think it's a 1.5 inch. I'll link it below. I like it on my heat-friendly styles, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. I just like to bump under the ends, keep it moving, just like that. You can see how I'm creating that. Just a little bit of a curl under. That's just how I prefer it. And you can achieve that really easily with this tool. I like that. I use it, just comb through it a lot of times, just like this. It's just be very careful. And again, keep this moving, but this does not get hot enough to, these are heat-friendly fibers, so they can take a lot more heat than this. This does not get hot. This is what I normally use on synthetics, but I do use it from time to time just to freshen up my heat-friendly fibers as well. So you can see how I created that in just a second using my styling brush, my heat brush. I think that I can't do without that. I use it all the time, almost daily. If I'm wearing a bob like this that I want it to be sleek, I want it to turn under just a little, I will use that hot air brush to accomplish that. Okay, let's talk about this fit. This fits me really well. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference. It could be a tad large. I could take this in and easily get a better fit. But just putting it on, it fits fine. But I think I would bring it in just a little. It has a beautiful mono top and lace front on this wig. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love a mono top that I can part it wherever I want, but I want to give you a look at how gorgeous this is. Raquel Welch really, really knows how to do their lace fronts. My bow here is right there and right there, so this has good coverage. This has the most minimal amount of permatease. It is so small, there's none in the top, of course, because it is a mono top. But maybe just a hint running through, not enough for me to really even speak of, to tell you the truth. Sleek. It reminds me of Raquel Welch Real Deal. If you remember that wig, this reminds me of that in a way too. Now it has these layered bangs, these face framing layers, which I think is very flattering on most face shapes. And then this nape is kind of sculpted in the back. It has these razor cut ends, which keeps it kind of trendy, on trend. I just can't say enough how much I enjoy this wig. Let's talk about the specs just for a minute. This has an 8 inch front. The crown's 8 inches as well on this one. The sides are 5, the back is 7, and then it has that 2.5 inch nape. So if you have hair that goes down on your neck a little, this would probably cover it with a 2.5 inch nape on this one. All right, let's just talk about this color for a minute. Now, dynamic red, in my opinion. Medium auburn, medium copper. It's around the face. These highlights go around the face. They're kind of a red gold blonde highlight around the face of this. So it's a non-rooted color. But look at these shades of auburn and copper. It is a beautiful color. Again, I will show you this in outdoor lighting. Okay, let's talk about styling for a minute. Now, if you feel like you have this wig and it falls in your face, you can always steam this wig. However, I use a little of the Hair You Wear hairspray, and I pull it back. You've seen me do this many, many times. Just pull it off my face, and that will take this up and off your face in just a second, like that. However, this is a temporary fix. If you want a permanent fix where it's always going to stay that way, you're going to need to steam it. This looks good with a headband, of course. You can tuck it behind your ears. You can wear this completely off your face with a headband if you would like, since it does have that lace front, and you can see, oh gosh, those highlights are so pretty around the face of this wig in this color. So yeah, I would definitely wear it off my face like that. And like we talked about earlier, this has a mono top, so if you want to wear your hair parted down the middle, you can do that with this one. Easily done. You want to part it on the other side. A lot of people like that right hand part. Can make that happen really easily on this one. So that is a plus on this wig, that you absolutely have the parting options for the top. Lots you can do with there. And also, I just think this is gorgeous. Completely pulled off like this and just clipped off your face just with a clip. Works perfectly. Here's a close-up look of the inside of the cap of Straight Up with the Twist. Here's that large mono top, extended lace front, open wefted with the memory cap 2 here, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. And there definitely is some stretch here. And here is the beautiful fiery copper. I'm so glad you joined me today. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave me lots of comments below, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I post some type of wig content every day on Instagram. I really appreciate all your support. I can't tell you how much I enjoy doing this and connecting with you. So again, please leave me lots of comments. Have a great day. See you next time.